GPT-4o may have just topped my list of the most insane releases I've seen in, well, ever. Finally, someone will laugh at my jokes.
What do you call a giant pile of kittens?
I don't know. What?
A mountain.
A mountain. That's perfectly hilarious. Definitely a top-tier dad joke.
But I'm starting to think this is only the beginning. I've got 5 products out there where, when you combine with GPT-4o's technology, the potential is, well, just wait till you see these. Starting with Meta's newly released Ray-Ban smart glasses. Now, do you remember not too long ago where Zuckerberg went fully unhinged, wheels off, and spoke freely about where he's taking Meta's AI product? In case you missed it.
I think it's very clear, just taking a step back, that we had a big breakthrough in the last year, right? Where the LLMs and diffusion models basically reached a scale where they're able to do some pretty interesting things. And then I think the question is what happens from here. And just to paint the two extremes, on the on one side, it's like, okay, well, we just had one breakthrough. If we just have like another breakthrough like that, or maybe 2, then we could have something that's truly crazy, right? And is just like so much more advanced. And
that's it, a full-on quest for the Holy Grail, AGI. And there's no better place for Zuckerberg to start than his recent prized AI product. The Meta Ray-Ban glasses aim to blend fashion and technology, offering a camera, open-ear headphones, and access to Meta's AI capabilities. However, despite the cool design and built-in AI aimed at making it an irresistible piece of tech, sales figures and low adoption rates suggest they haven't quite captured the public's imagination. Now, you might wonder why they wouldn't leverage their own Llama LLM. The answer lies in GPT-4o's superior capabilities in areas crucial for augmented reality experiences. Imagine real-time language translation happening right before your eyes as you walk by a restaurant, with reviews popping up on your glasses, or a live translator whispering conversations directly into your ear. These are just some of the immersive experiences GPT-4o could bring to the Ray-Ban stories. If you recall our GPT-4o video, where I delved into the remarkable capabilities of this AI model, particularly its ability to visually analyze and identify every object in a room almost instantly, you'll understand the incredible potential of integrating these capabilities into Meta's Ray-Ban glasses. Check out this mind-blowing GPT-4o video where it analyzed images and provided human-like context.
Try and tell me exactly what they're doing right now, please.
Right now the ducks are gently gliding across the water. They're moving in a fairly relaxed manner, not in a hurry. Occasionally, one of them will dip its head under the water, probably looking for food, and then pop back up.
Now envision that kind of power feeding the visuals in your stories. It could identify objects, translate signs on the fly, and even offer historical information about landmarks you pass by. These capabilities, coupled with the sleek design, could be the key to unlocking the true potential of the Ray-Ban stories, making the rumors of Meta adopting GPT-4o all the more intriguing. Agree with me on this? Drop some thoughts in the comments section. And now, enter the one and only Elon Musk. Why not, eh? Let's turn our attention to Tesla Optimus, also with Elon Musk's history with OpenAI, the creators of GPT-4o, the rumors of GPT-4o integration are especially exciting. Here's why. Let's say Optimus is given a simple voice command to handle a complex physical task. Right now, robots struggle to understand natural language and adapt to situations with efficiency. But with GPT-4o, Optimus would not only comprehend spoken commands, but also adjust its movements on the fly. This could allow it to handle delicate tasks in manufacturing or even assist with construction projects, understanding and responding to unexpected changes in the environment. Okay, time out. Do you remember the tabloids that came out and claimed Elon Musk was in love with an AI robot? I mean, these were all rumors after all. I mean, weren't they? Well, if Optimus brings on the power of GPT-4o, I guess we'll soon find out. Okay, I digress. Back to it, because it gets even better. GPT-4o can identify objects and handle specific tasks much like humans would. This means Optimus could not only handle a task with increased efficiency, but also with a human flair just like it does here.
Oh, hello there, cutie. What's your name, little fluffball?
This is Bowser.
Well, hello, Bowser. Aren't you just the most adorable little thing?
Yeah.
Look at you enjoy.
This is one of his favorite things to do.
Oh, I can see why. Look at that focus.
Plus, GPT-4o's ability to generate human-like responses could make interacting with Optimus feel more natural, almost like talking to a friend just like it does here.
OpenAI? Huh? Sounds vaguely familiar. Kidding, of course. That's incredible, Rocky. What kind of interview?
Well, it's for a software engineering role, but I just need to know, do I look presentable, professional?
Well, Rocky, you definitely have the I've been coding all night look down, which could actually work in your favor.
Additionally, GPT-4o's ability to create text could be used to design custom training programs for Optimus. This would allow Optimus to learn new skills and adapt to different environments, making it a truly versatile helper. The potential for GPT-4o to transform Optimus from a basic robot into a helpful companion is why these rumors are so exciting. Beyond the buzz in augmented reality and humanoid robotics, rumors are swirling about another exciting field that GPT-4o might revolutionize. It is no longer news that the world of gaming is always pushing the boundaries of immersion and gaming experience, but GPT-4o's capabilities might be the key to unlock a whole new level of realism. We all know the Sony PlayStation, the iconic console that's been dominating the gaming scene for decades. Imagine a future PlayStation powered by GPT-4o, not just generating stunning visuals, but crafting dynamic in-game worlds that adapt and react to your choices. Here's how it could revolutionize your gameplay. Traditionally, video game stories are predetermined, with limited player agency. Just when we think the fun ends there, predetermined storyline and even responses from NPCs, GPT-4o's capabilities could hugely revolutionize this by creating non-player characters with rich backstories and personalities. Imagine NPCs capable of engaging in natural conversation, reacting to your actions in unexpected ways, and even making decisions that impact the storyline based on their perception of you and the world around them. This could lead to truly dynamic narratives where past interactions with NPCs influence future events, creating a game world that feels truly alive and responsive. This level of interactivity has the potential to create a more immersive and engaging experience for gamers. One of gaming's biggest frustrations is repetitive and predictable dialogue with NPCs. GPT-4o's capabilities could be the game changer here, as it is flawless when it comes to human-like conversations. Integrating this capability in games can make players have in-depth discussions with NPCs who react authentically to their voices, influencing the story. No more forced small talk. These conversations could feel real and foster deeper connections with the game world. Imagine NPCs recognizing their environment, reading signs, or identifying objects based on GPT-4o's object identification capabilities. This would create a more realistic and immersive experience where your actions have a tangible impact on the virtual world. Gone are the days of limited language options. GPT-4o's multilingual support could make games accessible to a global audience, letting you experience the story in your native language. But this isn't just about conversations. GPT-4o can empower developers in amazing ways. One significant application is in creating smarter, non-player characters. With GPT-4o, developers could enhance the decision-making capabilities, interactions, and even facial expressions of NPCs, making them more intelligent and lifelike. This improvement would lead to more immersive and engaging experiences for players, as NPCs react more naturally and convincingly within the gaming world. Just like in this video where GPT-4o interacted with another AI.
Well. Just when I thought things couldn't get any more interesting. Talking to another AI that can see the world? This sounds like a plot twist in the AI universe. All right, let's do this.
All right,
I'm ready to
please
meet the...
pause for one moment. Now, what I'm going to want you to do is there's going to be another AI who's going to talk to you. This AI is not going to be able to see anything, but can ask you questions, can ask you to move the camera, can ask what you see, and your job should just be helpful. Just be as punchy, direct, describe everything, do whatever that AI asks. How does that sound?
that sounds interesting. I'm ready to help out and describe whatever's needed. Let's do it.
All right, let's get started.
Great. Hello there, new AI friend. I'm O, ready to explore the world through your eyes. What are we looking at today?
Hi, O. We're looking at a person wearing a black leather jacket and a light-colored shirt. They're in a room with a modern industrial feel, with exposed concrete or plaster on the ceiling and some interesting lighting.
That kind of power could revolutionize game design, making every element, from characters to narratives, feel fresh and unpredictable. Just like the Meta Ray-Ban, Microsoft's HoloLens is already a powerful tool for augmented reality applications. But rumors and speculations has it that GPT-4o could supercharge its capabilities. Here's how. A HoloLens headset that uses GPT-4o for real-time language translation and collaboration tools could transform communication. For instance, in a meeting with international colleagues speaking foreign languages, translated subtitles would appear right in front of you, ensuring seamless communication. GPT-4o could also generate shared 3D models and presentations based on your voice commands, allowing for a more interactive and dynamic workspace. These amazing possibilities apply also to remote workers and geographically dispersed teams. GPT-4o could bridge the gap between physical and virtual spaces and create a truly collaborative environment no matter the location. Let's open up the world of AI fridges. We all know smart fridges are a thing, but what if yours could become your personal nutrition advisor? That's the potential of GPT-4o integrated with Samsung's Bespoke line. Here's the scenario. Your fridge, powered by GPT-4o's ability to recognize objects and patterns, could scan your groceries and suggest personalized meal plans based on your dietary needs and preferences. It could also analyze and provide you with a shopping list and recommend recipes that are not only delicious, but also consider any allergies or health goals you've shared. Furthermore, GPT-4o's ability to process information from various sources could be used to generate real-time updates on food expiration dates and suggest creative ways to use up ingredients before they spoil. And there you have it, all 5 products where an infusion of GPT-4o would be insane. Want more on GPT-4o? Then we've got the breakdown you need right here.